What up everyone, my name is Mike and you guys are watching Mr. Mike 12,000. So I have some content that I want to bring to you about Microsoft creating a brand new holographic system that is going to blow the doors off of Google Glass. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. So what Microsoft has in the makings for all of us, they're testing out a bunch of betas right now, developing it actually as we speak. It actually was released, the content, like all the articles and news about it, just a few days ago. It's called the Microsoft HoloLens. And what the HoloLens has to offer, and quoting straight from their website, they do state, "The era of holographic computing is here. When you change the way you see the world, you can change the world you see." And I think that's a very powerful quote because Microsoft always is coming out with brand new ideas. They have Windows 8 and now they just came out with Windows 10, the idea and the creation behind it. And I think that it's a very powerful program, and if they can pull off the Microsoft HoloLens, this is going to be incredible. So what the HoloLens consists of is it's basically a thing that goes around your head. I don't know how else to describe it. It looks basically like a snowboarding mask. So when you put it on, it has that snowboard look to it, but then it has like a thin strip that wraps around your head. Now, also, these are just the first looks at it. The design of it probably will change most likely if they do go forward with this idea. And what it basically does is turn everything around you into a holographic reality. And I think that's a pretty cool concept. I watched a video, which I will have in the description box below, that Microsoft actually released. And the content that they provided in it was incredible. Something that you would never imagine to actually happen in real reality. So for the HoloLens to actually work and perform to its actual standards, the user actually has to wear a wristwatch. And what that wristwatch does is it interacts with their actions. So while they are wearing the head device, they do have a wrist device as well. So when they are looking into, per se, the HoloLens, their actions that they do with their hands, their motions, will go right to the helmet and they will be able to see holograms, and it's pretty crazy the things that they can see. Let's take a look at a few pictures that I snapshotted. So as you can see in this one photo, the guy is actually standing inside of his family room and he transformed his table into a Minecraft game. Pretty cool. I think this is a pretty cool concept, and overall, the HoloLens is a great idea. Microsoft is, like I said, is always coming out with brand new inventions, brand new ideas, but if they could pull this bad boy off, Google Glass is out of the picture. I'm sorry, Google, but you guys created something that was awesome. You guys did have the Google Glass Explorer, and then you did away with it because you are creating a new version of it now. But if Microsoft can actually pull off this HoloLens, this is going to be probably, I'd say, the invention of the decade. Oh, I don't know when they're going to pull it off. I'd probably say if this does end up happening, it's going to end up happening within the next 5-10 years. It's not going to happen right away. But the concept is already in development. It's on their website and I was looking at it. Pretty cool stuff. A lot of information, a lot of content that I can get out to you guys, but I'm still looking into it, as well as I hope that you guys are actually going to start looking into it. And overall, it's just a pretty cool concept that Microsoft's putting together. They're looking to top their competitors and they're doing it in an effective way. I also want to point out that the Microsoft HoloLens does not require any cords, phones, wires, or tethers. Also, on the front of the device that goes onto your head, it does have a transparent lens where you can see all the holograms. Along with that, the device is a lightweight device. It does contain spatial sounds, so when you do have the device on, you can listen to all the sounds around you. Basically sounds like you're surrounded by all the sounds with the holograms that you are seeing on your transparent lens screen. And it does incorporate the new technology of Windows 10. The HoloLens is also going to be a big contributor in brand new businesses that are incorporating different ways and techniques to improve their companies overall. And I think that this is going to be a very successful device in any field, whether it's for personal use or business use, whatever the case may be. The Microsoft HoloLens is going to be a fabulous purchase for you. Alright everyone, so that's it about all the information I know so far about the concept of the Microsoft HoloLens. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about it, please leave it in the comments box below. All the information that I do know currently about it will be in the description box below, all the links for it, so you guys can check it out. And that's about it. So like my page on Facebook, subscribe to my channel for a lot of great content coming your way, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, peace.